Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, give a like and comment on my video. So dear children, today I am here with a new topic. The name of topic is adverbs of possibility. In this video we will learn about adverbs of possibility. Before moving further, let's talk about adverb. What do you mean by adverb? Adverb is a word that modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb एक ऐसा वर्ड होता है जो एक वर्ब को, एक एडजेक्टिव को या फिर दूसरे एडवर्ब को मॉडिफाई करे. Now let's talk about adverb of possibility. Can you remember any of the adverb to indicate possibility? आपको कोई भी ऐसा एडवर्ब याद है जो पॉसिबिलिटी इंडिकेट करता हो? And remember कि adverb describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb and describe how certain something is. I have already told you कि adverb एक verb को, adjective को या दूसरे adverb को modify करता है. Okay, these are few examples of adverb of possibility, like definitely shows 100% possibility, absolutely 100%, probably 50% to 80% possibility, maybe 30% to 50%, and perhaps 5% to 15% possibility. Now we will talk about more possibility. Possibility means होता है संभावना. So now we will talk about more possibility. It means ऐसे वर्ड्स की बात करेंगे जो ज़्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी शो करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. These are the few examples for you. Certainly, surely, obviously. These are the adverbs that we use to show more possibility. ये adverb हम ज़्यादा possibility शो करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. Now we should know that how to use them. How to use these adverbs in our sentences. I will tell you few examples. Let's take a sentence first. For example, he drives a car. So now I will choose an adverb that is obviously. Now, how can I use obviously in this sentence? Let me tell you. Obviously, he drives a car. तो obviously यहाँ पे adverb of possibility का काम कर रहा है जो कि possibility को show कर रहा है and it is showing more possibility. We can use like he obviously drives a car. We can write it obviously he drives a car or we can write he obviously drives a car. Both the sentences have same meanings. Now let's talk about less possibility. अभी हमने more possibility की बात की है, अब बात करते हैं less possibility की. It means ऐसे words, ऐसे adverb जो कम possibility show करने के लिए use किए जाते हैं. So let me tell you few examples to show less possibility. Some words are there like probably, perhaps, maybe. ये तीनों adverbs कम possibility show करने के लिए हम लोग use करते हैं. Now let's take an example. How can we use them in sentence? Maybe. Maybe he drinks water. We can write in another way also, like he maybe drinks water. Maybe is showing less possibility. Maybe यहाँ पे कम possibility को show कर रहा है. Both the sentences have same meaning. You can write he maybe drink water. You can write maybe he drinks water. Now Like these are the less possibilities adverb. Certainly she brakes sharply. Sorry, for more possibility. Surely you speak English. Obviously the driver has a driver's license. These are the adverbs of possibility that show more possibility. Now these are the example like probably, perhaps, maybe. These adverbs show less possibility. Probably she baked sharply. Perhaps you speak English. Now have a look at the following sentences. Identify the adverb of possibility in these sentences. I am possibly going to go to park where I will definitely feed the ducks. Perhaps I will go to sleep and possibly dreams about puppies. Maybe we will go to the shops. So these highlighted words are adverbs of possibility like possibly, definitely, perhaps, possibly. As with most adverbs to indicate possibility can move around in a sentence. For example, undoubtedly the car has run out of petrol. The car had undoubtedly run out of petrol. Both times the adverbs we have used in the sentences. You can use in beginning also. You can use in between of sentence also. Can you move these adverb in the sentence? You have to identify adverbs of possibility in the sentence. Like she was obviously very surprised. Obviously is an adverb of possibility that we use for showing more possibility. Next is certainly he will be coming to the party. यहाँ पे adverb of possibility का काम कौन सा word कर रहा है? Certainly. Now come to the third one. Surely we will see each other again. Here, surely is an adverb of possibility. And the last one is, it is clearly going to rain today. So, clearly is an adverb of possibility. So, these are underlined words. These are example of adverbs of possibility. Like obviously, certainly, surely, clearly. These all are adverbs of possibility that we use to show possibility of any action. Let's move further now. Can you add an adverb to indicate possibility at the beginning of these sentences? आपको क्या करना है इन sentences के beginning में starting में आपको adverb of possibility को add करना है. So let's try it. For example, certainly there are many things to be considered. Undoubtedly, the shops will reopen. Surely, the lifeguard will be on hand. Maybe I will go to the park tomorrow. So, we can use adverbs of possibility in the beginning of sentences also, like this. And we can use adverbs after pronoun also. So, it is up to you how you can use them. I hope it is clear to you all that what do you mean by adverb of possibility? Adverb of possibility shows the possibility of any action. In starting, I told you the rate of possibility by giving you some example. Let's read some more example. I will definitely go to Paris again. Definitely is showing 100% possibility. Absolutely, I will go to Paris again. So absolutely is for 100% possibility. Probably I will start taking photos of birds again. तो probably is showing less possibility. Probably थोड़ा कम possibility के लिए use किया जाता है. Now come to the next example. Maybe I will ride a motorbike again. Maybe we use for 30% possibility. Now let's take another one. Perhaps I will shave off my beard. Perhaps also we use for showing less possibility. So in starting, I show you a slide that has rate of possibility that you can learn. It will help you a lot to use them in correct sentences. So it is enough for today. I hope you like my video. If you like the video, please give a like and comment. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and keep sharing, keep watching my video. Thank you so much.